Hello, how you doing? We're here in 7-Eleven in Okinawa, Japan. Last time I did a video of the okonomiyaki here, the frozen okonomiyaki here in 7-Eleven. And I wanted to do a quick video because I was thinking about getting a ramen from here. And that's even more interesting to me because ramen is like such a like staple food. And I wanted to see how ramen is from 7-Eleven. I'm thinking about doing that. So let's try it out. All right, so they have all this food here, but this is the one I was looking at. There's that one, and then there's this one, and this is like the pork chashu. And this one is stir-fried onion minced pork. So I think I'll get the stir-fried onion miso ramen. So miso ramen with stir-fried onions and minced pork. How does that look, guys? What do you think? They have so much stuff here too that I'm gonna have to do videos on and try. They put it in the microwave. I thought they would have had to add water or something, but maybe...
The broth is already in there, I'm sure.
Ah, I see. You could see me. I might just use this footage.
You can use 2 angles.
Yeah, 2 angles. So, hello. Let's see how this is. Ramen from a convenience store. This is actually something I've never gotten. And I think a lot of the reason is I love ramen so much, but the whole point to a convenience store to me is that it's convenient. And although this is very convenient ramen itself as a dish is just not convenient. Like we're normally on the go, driving, doing things. And this ramen, I'm gonna wanna like stop and eat it. I don't think I could drive and have a bowl of ramen. So.
You're gonna have ramen in one hand and the steering wheel in the other.
No, I don't think that's gonna work. So let's go ahead and try this thing out. Look at that. So they have this separate section you take off, and then they separate the noodles and the meat and stuff in this little tab there. Oh, no.
You're probably gonna want this.
So the broth is underneath and this is getting in it. All right. Yeah, so this is the, which ramen was this? This was the miso with minced from 7-Eleven. This is a convenience store ramen, guys. This is crazy. I like your close-up angle you're getting. Here we go. Okay, so verdict. It is really good, but like I said in my last video, there are things at 7-Eleven that I find are even better than things I've had in restaurants. This is probably not one of them. I know it's convenience store ramen and you'd expect it not to be, but this one actually is. I'm just letting you know. A ramen place is definitely better ramen, but for a convenience store, this is damn good. This is like way better than anything you can get in like a frozen food section or something in America.
Is it better than cup of noodles?
Oh, yeah.
That's surprisingly good. For like, or like a convenience store. Like, you know how top ramen and cup noodles and all that, like it tastes like freeze-dried ramen.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
But this, they're actually using real non-freeze-dried noodles.
Yeah. Nothing was frozen here. This was refrigerated.
There's like real meat chunks in here. I mean, I think the broth is a little oily for me, but the flavor of the broth itself is legit.
Arashi, this is better than Arashi. Yeah, so if you're going to Arashi for the ramen, just go to 7-Eleven across the street. Sorry, anyone who likes. Although when I posted that video, every single person was like, we don't go for the ramen, we go for the fried rice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching Matt's food review, Muteki Foods.
Moo, moo, moo.
Moo, moo, moo. The cow eats and rates things.
There you go.
Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.